Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook a delicious Swiss roll. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 4 large eggs, 100 grams of granulated sugar, and 75 grams of all-purpose flour. Also, have a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of vanilla extract ready. Make sure your eggs are at room temperature. This helps them whip up beautifully. Line a 10 by 15-inch baking sheet with parchment paper, extending it over the sides for easy handling later. This preparation is key for a smooth baking process. Now let's create that airy sponge cake. In a large bowl, beat the 4 room temperature eggs with 100 grams of sugar on high speed for about 5 to 7 minutes. The mixture should become very pale, thick, and nearly triple in volume. Next, gently fold in 75 grams of sifted all-purpose flour and the pinch of salt in 2 additions, being careful not to deflate the mixture. Finally, pour the batter onto your prepared baking sheet and spread it evenly to about 1/4 inch thickness. This next step is crucial for preventing cracks. As soon as your cake is baked, usually in about 10 to 12 minutes until golden, remove it from the oven. Immediately invert the warm cake onto a clean, slightly damp tea towel or a fresh piece of parchment paper dusted with a little powdered sugar. Carefully peel off the baking parchment. While still warm, gently roll the cake and the towel or parchment paper together from the short end. Let it cool completely in this rolled shape for at least 30 minutes. With your cake cooled and shaped, it's time for the delicious filling. You can choose a classic whipped cream, a fruit jam, or even a chocolate ganache. Gently unroll the cooled cake. Spread your chosen filling evenly over the entire surface, leaving about a 1-inch border on one long edge. Carefully re-roll the cake tightly, starting from the opposite long edge. Once rolled, wrap it in plastic and chill in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour before slicing and serving.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.